Hi everyone, so today I have a new Slimline card kit to share with you from Diamond Press. It is now available on HSN, and they did send this free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. Any links in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So I'm going to open this up, and let's check it out. I love their Slimline set, so cute. And then I always show the packaging. It did have these little guys around the corners to keep your box nice and safe. Oh, I have another one, wants to hang around. Here we go. Let's open this up. Love the colors already, look at that. I mean, you guys, I did not plan this, I didn't even know what this looked like. But I just got ready for the day, and I have a pinky kind of coral sweatshirt. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. I love this. I love this. I love their boxes because they're super sturdy. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell from like the thickness, but it's some really good stuff. And like a sweet friendship refreshes the soul. Really sweet. Love it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Some card ideas on the top. Of course, these are computer generated, but generally what they have here are the same pieces they'll have in here. And on the back it says 24 Slimline cards, 3 of each design. I love it. Oh, I'm so glad they have this one here, that pretty print. 24 Slimline envelopes. That's like neutral, maybe like a light blue. We'll see those in a minute. And like a goldenrod. 12 bows, 6 of each color. 80 adhesive pearls. 30 yards of paper twine and raffia. The little adhesive foam, which is awesome. I love that. Honestly, just looking at everything, you can just put it together and everything's here, right? Because you have that little adhesive, which is really great. 88 die-cut pieces, 2 of each design, and you guys, it's the same like flowers that are on the case. I love it. And little birdies just for you. Hello, XOXO. We'll check these guys out. 32 gold foil die-cut pieces, 2 each design. 12 shaker stickers. Oh, yay! I love it. And then the Halloween set, they did something like that, and it was really cute. And then, of course, the storage box. And it says you can find more inspo on mydiamondpress.com/inspiration. So here are the pearls. Let's see if I can... So again, just like a light blue, kind of gold, that coral color. Let's go over here. And generally, I do take the stuff out after I start using everything. I don't put them back in the plastic bags. I just put them in these little holder areas because I like to see everything and just kind of pick things out and kind of play with them, mix and match, or however it is that you want to use them, you know. So we have these beautiful sprays. Look at that, really nice size. Hearts, as you see, that popped out there. We have some bows in different colors, different colorways there. The pink and like the gold and like that blue. Oh, look at this one, like a little corner. The word just yay. Again, there's 2 of each, so I'm not really separating them if they're stuck together still. Just for you, the little birds. All these little individual kind of flower pieces. Let me get that little guy off there. I was just going to say that generally these are... You would apply your own adhesive on the back, okay? So they're not stickers, is what I was wanting to say. Corner piece, a little birdie. And oh my gosh, look at these butterflies. I love that little doodle and kind of like messy stamping look. We have the hello, XOXO, thankful for you, beautiful flowers. This one has like a beige outline. I don't know if you can see that. It's different from like these other ones that might have like a white outline. Pretty cool. And oh, look at this one. Suppose you can color that in yourself or just use it black and white like that, which is the kind of thing I like to do. Alright, let's put these over here. Oh, look at these. They had fallen towards the back. Little half butterfly, which I love because you can make it visiting a flower or whatever. These are the foil pieces. Sorry about that glare there. Maybe... I don't think that helps. But we'll just place that there. Okay. So again... Topper pieces, you know, if you want to stamp right on that, you can definitely do something like that. These guys, banners, lots of, it's all foiled. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Thinking of you. Hello, friend. Oh, I love that. These little cuties. And then here's the raffia and twine pieces. So the raffia is kind of more loose, kind of more like a ribbon. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like thicker and you can open it up. And then the twine is the same kind of stuff, but it's really rolled up into like a twine material. Beautiful colors, love those. Let's check these guys out. Oh, so we have our bows. I think it said 6 of each, right? Yeah. And the pink and gold. And then these are, oh wow. So, aw, look at best wishes. We have those guys, thinking of you. You guys, these are so fun. Thank you. And a little note just for you. And this one's like a big boy. So cute. And then over here we have the card bases. So we'll check those out right quick. So this one's like a very soft pink gingham. You can see it's very soft, very soft. And then this one with the stripe. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, is that my eyes? It's the stripe, and they're kind of wavy. I don't know if you can see, they're kind of like more organic. They're not just like perfectly laid out stripes like that. Like a brush or something. And little dots, again, more organic and fun. Little blue sprigs there. Pretty, I like the tone on that. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love that. That is so pretty. Little butterflies, and then another gingham here with a very light blue. And then these guys, oh, so pretty. I am a fan of that pattern. That's so gorgeous. And then this one's more like a goldenrod, kind of mustard, I guess, background with little blue flowers and white flowers and pink flowers on there. And let's just see. Oh, there. Okay, here's the foam adhesives. And here we have our envelopes, and I just want to see as far as the colorways. So it's a very soft neutral. It's almost pink in tone. I don't know if you can see against like this white paper. That little kind of slate, kind of bluish envelope, and then the kind of craft card, a little more mustardy color. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is put some things aside, and we'll start kind of playing and put some cards together. Okay guys, so I just put this on here because I was like, you know, we can take some quick inspo from the inspiration sheet. So you always have this with you. You can just check it out. They have the little shaker here with thinking of you, and then some little flowers in the background. So let's check that out. And I can see by looking at that this card base isn't exactly just white. It's a little bit off white. Really pretty. Let's put this to the side. And so we can kind of get something in here. So what I like about that design is that nothing's competing with the sticker. It's just that beautiful sticker and is the focal point, you know? And this isn't the one they're showing there, but we can definitely use something like that, do something like this, something like that, you know, however you would like. So what I'm going to do is go through and see which one I would like to place here. That one's a little bit longer. Not bad. So let me go through these larger guys and see which one it is that I would like to put tucked in behind there. I'm going to do something like this, and so you can see I brought out the flowers, and I'm going to put another one in the corner. And the glare, it's hard to see. But all I did was just kind of audition out different things. I was like, maybe this one, which is cute, just a little something. And then I went to this one, but it has a lot of white in it when the background has a lot of that same kind of muted color. So I was like, well, and then I found this little pretty lady, this little grouping, and I think that's really cute just to kind of finish it off up here in this corner. So let me see here. Something like that, right? Just out there. And so let me see, or should I do it this way? No, I'm going to put it this way. Okay. So I do like where this is, so what I'm going to do is just move this over a little bit and just stick this guy down. And this one I'm going to just use a wet glue, but if you want to use dimension, you would also put dimensionals under this piece if that's what you're going to do. And before I really stick that down, I'm going to place it again and place our little sticker. Basically what I'm doing is centering this and then putting this behind in a way that you can see a lot of what's going on there. Something like that. And then this guy again will be right in here. Looks good. Okay, and then again I'm going to put this one down. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on this just for now to get that tucked in there, give me an idea of where that needs to be, while our sticker is still in its backing. Something like that. And then I'll take this off. And that's just a simple card. If you want to add some half pearls or anything else, other than that, to me the focus is the shaker. So I'll just pop that on there. Maybe just a little bit lower before I squeeze it down. And a little over this way. Alright, that's one simple card, just following the inspo sheet. So cute. Alright, let me grab another card base and we'll make another one. So looking through these pretty things, I want to use this card base, and this time we'll make the card like a portrait, where the other one was landscape. I'm going to use this one. I just chose that, you know, fits there nicely. And what I want to do is probably, you know, top it off or maybe put some little things behind it or however, but I want to try something and we'll see how this works out with the raffia, with this guy. And yeah, we'll use this pink one. I'm just going to see where it starts. Okay, there we go. I don't know how thick this is when I open it up, but for now, let's get like, I don't know, 12-inch piece or so. And I'm going to open this up, so unravel it. Okay, so I'm just going to go in here and open this up. So I'll just go down the whole length of it, opening it as much as I can, and I will be right back. Okay, I pretty much have opened that up. I'm going to take off the first little piece, even though honestly by the time we get there, you're not going to notice that was a little bit different. What I'm planning on doing is making like a little rosette, and we will see how it goes. So let me get a little bit closer. And I left the very end almost still together because I don't think I'm going to need it to be this long, since it's about 1 inch wide. So it'll be like a smaller little rosette. So we're just going to hold it here. And all I'm going to do is really make sure that I'm overlapping it in the center area. So I'm just going to push a little bit, and as much ruffle as you like, or as little ruffle, the more little pushes, and I'm kind of like picking up the paper and pushing it so it makes like a little ruffle, is what you're gonna have. So, you know, just keep going around and make sure the top part is really undone. Okay, this is actually really easy to work with because it's a little bit stiffer than like, you know, tissue or streamer kind of material, so it just stays where you're putting it, which is really nice. And again, in the very center, I'm making sure it's overlapping quite a bit, just so we'll have a place to staple to get this put together. And I'm turning it here and there. And make sure that's still rolled up on top of each other. And you know, it's up to you where you want to stop. I'll probably stop right here. I'm just gonna cut that for now. So cute. Okay, and when we're here, we can tuck this piece to the back or just leave it however. And if you wanted a longer piece, you can just keep rolling and it'll make a rosette that's, you know, twice as puffy here. But I'm just going to open this up and just give it a little staple. And same thing over here. I'm going to give it a little fix though, because she got a little worse for the wear there. And a little staple here. Then I'm just going to go around with my scissor and make it a little more rounded. So I'm just going to take a moment to round this out, okay? If I need to. Okay guys, so we have that. We have this little guy. We have this to add a little texture, do something fun with. I don't know if I'm going to put up it in the back or in the front. We will see. What I normally do to top this kind of thing off is I'll add like something like that. It's very cute. We have little flowers that we can kind of play with and see if we want to do something like that. So let me go through the ephemera and see what pieces I would like. I also want to tuck things like wherever it is that it might be. Oh, that's cute. You can use the coral colors. Okay, let me go through and see if what else I would like to kind of pop in here, and I'll be right back. I think this is what it's going to be. I always go with that. I was going to get a little blue heart, but I already have blue in the lettering, so I thought it would be just cute to finish it off with the pink. So we're going to stick that down on here. And I try not to smash it too much, but just enough. You still want that little texture that you just created. And in the meantime, while that's setting up a little bit, I'm going to grab some of this dimensional and just going to pop a few here and there. Kind of staying away from the edges because I don't know where I'm going to put my little butterfly yet, and I want it to be able to tuck in there really well. So I'm going to pop some of these on the back and I'll be back. So this card, I'm going to do it like this. I already have the dimensionals on there. They're still there. Like I haven't taken the backs off of it. But I'm just going to pick that up and apply a little glue, just so I have a better idea where I want that guy. It's good. Okay, I'm just going to take all the little carriers off of here and adhere that. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll take the carriers off, I'll put this focal point down, and then I pop in different items, and you can still do that, of course. And that's why I stayed away from the edges up here. But then I decided, well, I guess I could just kind of look at what's going on and then go from there. And then this guy, I also put little dimensionals on the back of it. And if you want it to be higher than what you have here, these are really nice dimensionals because they're not super tall, so you get that dimension without the card being so bulky, you know? But I'm going to leave that right there. Aw, really sweet, fun little texture in there. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I'll have some images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. Lots of fun ephemera. I am just using up ephemera left and right. I love it. I'll be digging in here to make more cards, to just add them to different projects. I mean, cute things like this you can add like on a little clippy and just put it on a bag and just make it look cute, like a little gift bag or something. So lots of fun ways to use ephemera pieces and just everything that's in here. It's really great. One last thing, guys, sorry, before I wrap it up. I was taking pictures and I recalled to let you know that this paper is really thick. I would say it's probably 280, 300 GSM, so like 110 pounds around there. And I know that's a question I get often whenever I do the card kits, so I just want to make sure to get that info to you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye now.